I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by changing the layout to mimic Gmail's familiar 3-column view. Open View Settings and set message list density to compact for tighter spacing. Turn off Focused Inbox so all messages appear in one unified list. Move the folder pane to left and place the reading pane on the right. Enable Show as Conversations so messages thread together like Gmail. Reduce message preview to one line to match Gmail's compact list. These steps provide the structural base for a Gmail-like Outlook experience. Next, recreate Gmail labels and filters inside Outlook using categories and rules. Use color categories and rename each category to match your Gmail labels for visual consistency. Apply colors to messages manually or set rules to tag messages when they arrive. Create rules to auto-move mail into specific folders, reproducing Gmail filter behavior. Pin frequently used folders into favorites to replicate Gmail's starred and important lists. This approach keeps emails organized and visually comparable to Gmail labels and filters. Finally, add finishing touches to feel more like Gmail across daily use. Enable Outlook keyboard shortcuts and create quick steps for common Gmail keys and actions. Add your Google account to Outlook using Exchange or a map to receive Gmail messages directly. Use search modifiers in Outlook to match Gmail search behavior and save frequent searches as search folders. Choose a light theme and set the accent color to a Gmail-like red for visual familiarity. Save your view settings and export them for easy reuse on another machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.